Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing accounts so controls work across devices. Create or identify your parent Epic account, then set up a separate child account. Once done, link the child to the console or PC you use for Fortnite. Enable two-factor authentication on your parent account and choose a strong password. This prevents kids from changing settings. Make sure you have console family management active. That way purchases and playtime limits can be enforced effectively, and you keep the ability to modify settings remotely. Once accounts are ready, sign into Epic Games and go to Account Settings, Privacy and Communications. Disable voice chat, restrict friend requests, and set communication to friends only or none. This reduces exposure and unsolicited invites. Next, use PlayStation, Xbox, or Nintendo family controls to set spending limits, require PIN for purchases, and enforce playtime windows. Make sure platform store limits match Epic spending rules. Otherwise, purchases can still process via the console store. These combined steps lock down social and financial access. Finish by logging into Fortnite on the child's device and verifying each restriction. Chat, parties, and purchases should reflect your settings. Set a console purchase PIN and never share your parent password. That ensures changes require your approval. Monitor playtime and review the Epic account periodically. Adjust settings as the child matures. If settings don't apply, unlink and relink the console to Epic, clear cache, and confirm the child account is correctly classified. This troubleshooting step fixes most sync problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.